Ha? Ano?
Sana may
Oo. Sana talaga ate. Oh. Ang sabi niya? Hindi yung police.
Hindi.
na ito.
Bakit ano problema?
Nandito na daw.
Saan ba siya? Baka papunta na.
Tunan mo nga yan. Bakit kaya? Ha?
Hindi mo yan makikita, ma'am.
Engels is ik waren naar binnen.
Ja, ik vind het ook eng.
Ja, ik vind het ook eng. Altijd. Het is altijd.
Mijn hart, kabong.
Hi, Mayor. Send our greetings to your father. VP. Si VP. Hi, VP. Cute na VP, eh.
Yeah. Pero nagda-dry na yung skin niya. I think,
Ha?
nagda-dry yung skin niya. Nakita ko yung wang niya naka...
Sir, greetings mo, father.
Ano hinahanap yung gamit ba? Sasakyan?
I watch on the television. You don't have a good memory.
Makikita mo yan pagdating na dito, sir.
Hindi, nandito na nga daw siya.
Saan?
Weird nga nito.
Saan ba yung address? Pakikita nga. Pump Station Spec 32.
Ito. Reason mo. Ayun na siya.
Ayan na. Oh.
Kasi kung saan ka pumupunta, pagagalitan ko to. Share mo na po ito.
Over. Hello.
Yeah. What's your name? 9676.
Na? Naa. Ako naman yung kuhan ron. Tatrabaho naman yun ako ron. Kaway-kaway. Shout out naman.
Biglaan lahat.
Biglaan talaga yun. Tama ka na eh.
Ayun.
Tama dahil.
Awin mo.
Kana may power kay ko na pa. Tani.
Mag-order ba ako ng kape at mag-share?
Wala. Okay, wala.
Narito. Nakatubang.
Wala ko na. Kay ang akong aura is kuan man. Ay dili ta screenshot. Dire. Kaman ano? Kaman ano?
Sagwapo.
Sir,
Ay, sige sir.
Sabi pupunta siya ngayon.
baka mamaya pa.
Sabi 2 o'clock.
Baka pupunta siya. Mamaya.
Ika-brook siya.
Oh. Yeah. Credit lang guys ha. Nag-transform ng horse.
Lino, dyan gano'n. Alam mo mga ano, asa naman siya? Hello everyone, wow, 1.8 million in the house. Akala ko tayo, sinong MJ na yun. Marilu Hoson. That is my name. Marilu Hoson, that's why MJ. I'm not MJ from...
Yung ano.
Ate, kaya nga nagtanong ako.
We went there by jet ski. Yeah, jet ski. Yeah.
Nagulat ko si Milan.
Katong last interview ni
Then coffee ko ya?
Mas basta sa kanya. Wala pa din ko naman. Wala pa din ko ano. Ako din live na bilhin sa amin. Copy ka.
Yeah, that's why he said I don't think you're lucky that the cafe is the first.
Hello, nandito lang. Nagkape muna kami guys.
Sir, ang tundi ko pa kayo sa pura po kasi. Bagay kasi mo kayo.
Kaya, pangalawa.
See you.
May interview ka karon or later? Later, or, okay. Meron na. Later.
This is the food of the Bisaya.
Thank you so much, VP. How are you today?
Yes.
Sige na. May magig kumukuan.
Kung ano man
Isampungan man ako, gana man ako. Ay, nalanggitaan ni Alma, ay, Ruby.
Wala yang live bigyan niya.
Wala ko, ibiyaan akong live na rin. Nabiyaan ka ni. Nabiyaan. Ang naka-live. Ang naka-live. Dali na kasi mga tao.
Ibiyaan, good mo guys. Sorry kayo guys. Hello. Thank you for watching 1.k billion viewers. How are you today, mga guys? Mga langga. See you there, langga. Hi, thank you for watching, Ma'am
Ay,
Cathy.
pasensya gang.
Sige na, dito na taka.
Okay, pasensya gang kasi inano ko talaga yung ano gang. Kasi hindi ko naka-prepare, nasabi ko pang wrong akong statement. Meron pa sanang tanong ako eh. Ang dami ko pang tanong eh. Actually. Napaka question ito na ano eh. Ang dami ko bang question eh. Hindi.
Wala na, dali man sila.
Narong po
Later na lang. Kasi na wrong. Wrong an answer. Wrong question.
Tara na, tara na. Tara na gang, bawal na tayo. Punta na ka tayo noon. Ma'am. Wala, ma'am. Tara na. Ha? Ako rin yun. We're just... Tara, let's go there. Hi, sir. We just filmed the video.
I can understand, but you know that it's not allowed.
Yeah, we are about to leave. We're just
Yeah,
talking
you're gonna
about
leave
it.
right
Yes,
now?
yes, we're gonna leave. Yes. Immediately, sir. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. We're going there.
Going to the other side, yeah?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes.
We zijn te vrij om te staan waar we willen.
Zegt u? Nou, kijk, er zijn wat incidenten geweest met de bewoners en de demonstranten hier. En toen heeft de gemeente uiteindelijk...
Hello, Diggy. Diggy is here, everyone. Diggy. Hello, tara gang, tara. Sir, we're already leaving. We just needed to take a video earlier.
Only just your ID cards for the registration.
Okay. Do you need to register still?
Yeah, I need to register everything.
Oh, really? We were already talking to your colleague, and he knows that we're already leaving.
Who was my colleague?
Here, this guy.
Oh, yeah. But I need to register it.
Oh, okay.
If I can see your passport, please.
I don't carry my passport with me, but I have my card.
So just some name information. Where you from?
Philippines?
Yeah, where?
In Mindanao, Butuan.
No, my grandfather.
Oh, really? From the Philippines?
No. He has been on vacation.
Oh,
And he has friends over there. So.
where in the Philippines? Did he go? Cebu? No.
I don't know.
Davao. I hope that the court will already give us the decision favorable to our former president so that we're gonna be gone here for good. Because we just wait for his freedom. Soon.
And that's the whole reason why you're staying.
Yeah, that's where we are here. Exactly. Yeah, because we are extending what's happening here to the entire Filipino community all over the world. So that's why if we need to get a permit, if we need to get all the legal stuff, we get it so that everybody will feel safe. Yeah.
But you guys know the rules. This is the section you need to go.
Yeah, we were there.
Because people are already complaining.
Oh, okay.
I understand the complaints.
But you know that we are also just doing our how do I say that, guaranteed right? That this is just a public sphere. But before we understand if you stay longer.
It's a demonstration.
Oh yeah. No, we are not demonstrating also. What we are doing right now, especially we understood here, we take a video and then we go there because that's where we know we can. Sorry, I'm really sorry for the inconvenience, sir, but we are.
No, that's okay. I'm glad you understand it.
Yeah, we understood. You've been here for 6 months already.
That's quite a long time.
Yeah. Every day. Yeah.
Thank you.
It's nice. It's on the whole body. The whole arms.
Sleeve, yeah.
My back.
Ah, okay.
The front is Chinese Jordan.
And sometimes, sir, most of the Filipinos coming here are from different places. So that's why they don't know the rules also. But for us, we from the Netherlands, we know that they just come here. And
Okay.
that's why.
You understand it?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. And if you guys just want to go up there and just
Yeah.
if somebody comes to you and they also want to stand over there, that's okay. And if you see someone here, just call them.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah?
Thank you.
But you're making a video
Yeah.
about what?
About an interview from them, because basically what's happening is that the family visits the former president, and then the entire Filipino community wants to know how he is, how he's doing. It's basically just a normal Q&A portion, because this person inside the ICC detention is one of the most beloved person in the Philippines, the most popular even in political history of the Philippines. So I know it's quite different from the Dutch culture and politics, but this person is very much loved by a lot of individuals.
Okay.
So yeah, we just ask questions, simple questions, and sometimes it is difficult ones. How the case is going.
Our president is here because he hit America. He said, "Fuck you, Obama."
Yeah.
That's why he's here. Now the new president is
Friends with America.
friends with America.
Yeah.
I don't know a lot
That's
about
Yeah,
politics.
it's all
I
about
cannot
politics.
talk. I
Yeah.
don't know what the president.
Me neither.
Yeah. But just to explain with you guys what
that's
we do.
okay.
Yeah.
I understand.
So it's basically a simple question and answer, and that's it. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Good luck,
You have
brother.
more questions, sir? No, that's it. Yeah.
That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Bye-bye. Totoo naman talaga na this is about America. America man talaga. Oo. Sinabi ko sa akin. Bakit? Hindi ba nila alam na ikaw yun?
Video ko
Hindi sa akin.
Ako din, nag-video rin ako.
Totoo man yan.
Totoo man. Diba? Nung sinabi hindi, alam mo,
Totoo, pumunta talaga Amerikano
sabi
dito.
alam mo, kahit may mga nakakausap ako, yun ang sinabi nila. The reason why talaga,
Nandito si tatay.
is because, naging siya, alam naman natin na yung foreign policy niya is against America.
America.
And America wants to control everyone.
Mm-mm.
So,
Independent kasi, ayaw na yung Amerika ng ganon. Kasi namumulis kasi yung Amerika sa lahat eh.
so ganyan, kaya ang dahilan siya nandito. The rest, yung mga invento na lang ng politika, alam naman natin, may utang na loob si Marcos sa Amerika. Kaya, nandito siya. Na-video ko siya. Actually, naka-video ko. Pero upload ko na lang pagka-uwi ko na para hindi ako hulihin.
Sir.
Oh.
So, mamaya daw. Yung link. Sa nightlife.
Saan?
Pwede ka? Nightlife ba? Yung link. Sabi ko. Nakakasam. Walang sab.
More reinforcements yun. Because, the people here are saying that we are demonstrating. We are not demonstrating. They don't understand the culture.
I tell them.
Bilis sa mga kaliwa mag-report mo.
Oh, ang bilis. Ang bilis. They're so fast in reporting, mga kababayan. akala kasi ng mga pulis, pag hindi mo alam yung batas dito, inaano ka nila niya, tinatakot ka. Pag paano-ano ka lang yung pasiga-siga lang yung mata mo, yung
Ang taray mo nga eh.
Hindi nga.
Kuhanan ko yung taray mo doon.
Hindi, joke.
Oh.
Ano
Panis.
talaga na siya,
Ganun ang katarayan. Hindi ang taray, hindi ginagawa sa kapwa vlogger, dapat ang taray ginagawa sa kalaban. Diba? May humba kaya dyan? May humba? Pag wala yung
Talaga to sa banat pa. Ano ka talaga to? Kahapon, may umbak kahapon. Pahamak talaga to. Banat na.